Do not surprise your learners with something. Do not just go and tell them to read something, and then after they finish reading, you ask them the question, because this is not testing their comprehension level. This is testing their memory, like what we're going to talk about in the listening skill while we're teaching it. We're not supposed to surprise our students or to scare them or to cause them any kind of an anxiety. What we should do is to give the students the reading questions first, and then go and read this part in the story that you're going to find this answer for. So for example, they are going to read the question like this one, what did the crow do, or what did the snake do to the crow, and then you're going to go and read this part of the passage and then find the answer to it.